Millions of car owners drive around every day completely unaware that these simple tricks exist, and some of them will protect your wallet from the exact repair shops love to charge for. One of them even stops the kind of damage that mechanics and dealers quietly fix for thousands of dollars every single week. They have zero incentive to tell you about any of this. Before you spend another dollar on car care, here are the 17 most effective car hacks that will save you serious money. Hack number 17, shaving cream side mirror fog prevention. Every cold or humid morning your side mirrors turn into useless white blobs, forcing you to drive half-blind until the defroster finally catches up. Here's the fix almost nobody uses. Squirt a small amount of regular shaving cream onto the glass, work it in with a soft cloth using tight circles, then wipe every trace off with a clean dry cloth until the mirror looks crystal clear. The microscopic film left behind is pure anti-fog technology. Condensation simply cannot stick. Your mirrors stay clear on the coldest mornings and the stickiest summer days without ever touching a button. Hack number 16, toothpaste scratch remover. Those light surface scratches that catch the sun and make an otherwise clean car look tired are not permanent. Grab ordinary white toothpaste, never gel, dab a little onto the mark and rub with a soft cloth in small circles for about 30 seconds. Wipe clean with a damp cloth. The mild abrasives gently level the raised edges of clear coat scratches so they disappear into the surrounding paint. Deep gouges won't vanish, but the majority of the marks that drive you crazy will. One $3 tube handles dozens of spots across the whole car and costs a fraction of a $50 to $100 shop touch-up. The compounds sold in auto stores for scratch removal are essentially the same mild abrasive. Hack number 15, vinegar and coconut oil faded paint restorer. Sun-baked hoods and roofs turn chalky and lifeless long before the rest of the car ages. Mix equal parts white vinegar and coconut oil, wipe the blend onto a microfiber cloth and work it into small sections of faded paint. Buff dry with a clean cloth. The vinegar cuts through oxidation and light grime while the coconut oil fills micro scratches and restores depth and gloss to the clear coat. Paint looks darker, richer, and years younger. $2 of vinegar and $6 of coconut oil last through dozens of treatments and deliver results that rival expensive paint correction services. Professional products rely on the same acid and oil principle, just with nicer packaging. Hack number 14, WD-40 door hinge fix. That loud, embarrassing squeak every time a door opens makes the whole car sound ready for the scrapyard. It's almost never a mechanical failure, just dry metal. Spray WD-40 directly onto the exposed hinge pins at the top and bottom of each door, swing the door open and closed a few times to work it in, then wipe the excess so nothing drips onto paint. Silence returns instantly. A $5 can treats every hinge, latch, and lock on the vehicle. Moisture is displaced at the same time, so rust never gets the chance to seize the joints later. Hack number 13, Vaseline tire protectant. Dry, gray, cracked sidewalls make even a freshly washed car look neglected. After washing and fully drying the tires, wipe a thin, even layer of Vaseline onto the sidewalls with a cloth or applicator pad. Let it sit a few minutes, then buff off any excess. The petroleum jelly conditions the rubber, restores deep black color, and shields against UV cracking. Tires look freshly detailed every time you park. A $4 jar treats all 4 tires dozens of times. Most tire shine sprays are simply thinned petroleum formulas sold at a markup, unlike those sprays. Hack number 12, makeup brush AC vent cleaner. Dust packs into the narrow vents where no cloth or vacuum nozzle can reach, then blows straight into your face every time the air kicks on. Take a clean, soft makeup brush or small paintbrush and run the bristles between every slat, angling to hit the hidden grooves. Soft bristles knock the dust loose without scratching plastic. Follow with a quick vacuum pass to catch what falls. Vents come out spotless in under 2 minutes. A $3 to $5 brush lasts years and works just as well on dashboard buttons, cup holders, and center console crevices. Hack number 11, toothpaste license plate cleaner. Grime and light oxidation settle into the embossed letters until the plate is hard to read from any distance. Pressure washing never fully clears it. Dab white toothpaste onto the plate and scrub with an old toothbrush, working into every groove. Rinse and dry. Mild abrasives lift dirt and surface oxidation, leaving the plate sharp and legible again. One $3 tube cleans the plate dozens of times. Most plate staining is just surface oxidation, which is why a mild abrasive restores it completely. Hack number 10, WD-40 bug and tar remover. Baked on bugs and tar spots laugh at regular soap. Spray WD-40 directly onto the residue, wait 2 to 3 minutes, then wipe with a microfiber cloth. No scrubbing required. The solvent breaks the protein bonds in bug guts and dissolves tar almost instantly, leaving paint clean and unscratched. One $5 can handles an entire bug season. Dedicated bug. Hack number 9, the hidden coat hook feature. Most drivers own their car for years without noticing the small hooks built into the roof frame above the rear doors or on the back of the front seats. Those loops are engineered to hold dry cleaning, grocery bags, or a jacket so nothing slides or wrinkles on the seat. They easily support several pounds. The feature costs nothing because it was already there. Hack number 8: baby powder on door seals. Sticky, squeaky weather stripping that freezes shut in winter is pure frustration. Dust a light layer of baby powder along the rubber seals around each door and rub it in gently. The powder absorbs surface moisture and eliminates the tackiness so the seal glides instead of sticking or groaning. Doors open smoothly even in freezing temperatures. A $3 bottle treats every seal for an entire season. Commercial rubber conditioners are essentially the same talc formula sold smaller and more expensive. Hack number 7: Vaseline serpentine belt trick. That high-pitched squeal on startup or acceleration makes every driver nervous. With the engine off and cool, lightly coat the visible edges of the serpentine belt with a tiny amount of Vaseline. Avoid the pulleys. This is a temporary grip-restoring fix for a glazed belt, not a permanent repair. The squeal usually quiets immediately, buying you time before a proper replacement. $4 of Vaseline versus $150 to $250 belt job you may not need this week. Hack number 6: Coca-Cola rust remover. Light surface rust on bumper brackets, exhaust tips, or metal trim spreads faster than it should. Pour Coca-Cola onto the spot or soak a cloth and lay it over the rust for 10 to 15 minutes. The phosphoric acid breaks the rust bond. Scrub gently with a wire brush or steel wool, rinse thoroughly and dry completely. Clean metal appears underneath. Hack number 5: baking soda battery corrosion cleaner. Crusty white or blue buildup on battery terminals is often mistaken for a dying battery. Disconnect the negative cable first, mix baking soda with a little water into a paste, and scrub the corrosion with an old toothbrush until the fizzing stops. Rinse lightly, dry completely, and reconnect. The alkaline paste neutralizes the acid instantly. A $1 box treats terminals for years. Hack number 4: the disconnect battery reset trick. A check engine light or random dashboard warning that refuses to go away after the actual problem is fixed often just needs a computer reset. With the engine off, disconnect the negative battery terminal and leave it off for about 15 minutes. This clears stored fault codes and forces the system to relearn its baselines. Reconnect, start the car, and many phantom warnings disappear. Zero cost beyond a few minutes. Shops charge diagnostic fees partly just to plug in a scanner and clear the same codes. Hack number 3: toothpaste and Carnauba wax headlight restoration. Yellow, cloudy headlights cut night visibility in half and make the whole car look older than it is. Scrub white toothpaste onto the lens with a cloth in circular motions for about a minute, rinse and dry. Then apply a thin coat of Carnauba wax and buff. The mild abrasives cut through the oxidized layer while the wax seals the surface and adds UV protection. Headlights look clear and bright again. $3 of toothpaste and $10 of Carnauba wax last through multiple treatments and beat $100 plus shop restoration. Hack number 2: the rear defroster side mirror trick. Side mirrors fog or ice over on cold mornings, and many cars appear to lack a dedicated mirror heat button. On a surprising number of vehicles, the heated mirrors are wired to activate automatically with the rear window defroster. Press that button, wait a minute or two, and check the mirrors. They're usually warming up right along with the back glass. The feature was already built in. Most owners simply never discover it because manuals rarely highlight it. If nothing happens. Hack number 1: the key fob window vent trick. A car that's been sitting in the sun hits you with a wall of superheated air the second the door opens. On many key fobs, holding the unlock button for a few seconds rolls down all 4 windows remotely while you're still walking up. Hot air vents out before you even reach the car. By the time you sit down, the cabin temperature has already dropped and the AC has far less work to do. Zero cost, seconds saved, and less strain on the compressor. The feature exists on far more fobs than people realize. Most owners simply never try it. Check the owner's manual for the exact button combination because it varies by manufacturer. On the hottest days, this alone can drop interior temperature noticeably before you get in. Only use it in secure parking since the windows stay open during the walk back. How many of these did you already know? Drop a comment and tell me. If this video just saved you money on dealers, repairs, or unnecessary shop visits, hit subscribe for more car content that shows you what the industry prefers you never find out. There are even more built-in secrets hiding inside your car right now. Click the next video and you'll wish you known them years earlier.